You see, the difference between animals and human beings is that animals come with more developed. What it needs is an environment in which it will just, what's already there which is coming out. It doesn't need too much learning actually. Of course it has to learn. It's not that they are not intelligent, but the range is very less. But for a human child, they are only coming with a certain fundamental blueprint, possibility. It has to awaken itself to other, what is there. Take example, a dog is born. Wherever the dog is there, it will bark only, na? You see, it will not have a Chinese bark, it will not have a Mongolian bark or an Indian bark, no. Whereas a child come with the possibility of communicating, that's only a possibility. And for a child, it is even far more, for human being, is far more crucial in the sense that even our ability to walk, to talk, to see, all this depends on the external environment. If the child doesn't see, does not access people who are walking, but there are many examples, feral children who actually walk on force because the child was with the dog all her developmental stage. Child behaving like monkeys. So what we human beings do is that we absorb the surroundings and we become that. We imbibe what is happening. So it's almost like there is a statement called monkey see, monkey do. That is far more, far more important to human being. And there is a very interesting experiment in which a psychologist, husband, wife both, in 1920s, they adopted a chimpanzee child to play with their child. Within 6 months, they threw the chimpanzee child out because this human child was absorbing and learning the ways of the monkey, the chimpanzee, and not the other way around. So we are far more impressionable, which is also our possibility, that our possibility is so much that we can really do, depending upon what is available to us, we can really grow into a completely different being. But there are two sides to it. You can become a monkey if you are living with a monkey, or you can become something else, So this is a very, very crucial thing to understand, that we are actually fragile, and what we need is a very humble and a sensitive environment, which actually awakens the mystery in us, the wonder in us. All that is possible, provided you are engaging with the unknown and not with the known. So basically, if we then look at that, the whole problem can be traced to our formation. What we are is what we will do. A fragmented being will fragment the world. Look at the linear ways in which everything has been organized in our life. Everything is so linear and compartmentalized and fragmented. That's because our mind is that.